Hello, friends! At ito na nga, oh my gosh, may friend ako na galing Bicol siya, taga Bicol talaga siya. Hello, fellow Bicol people! And sabi niya, ang pinaka-famous daw doon na pinaka-inaasam-asam is the toasted siopaw. So here we go. She got us this toasted siopaw. Let's try it out and see. Ah. Toasted siopaw. Sabi niya, sobrang dami tao daw talagang may gusto nito. So, let's check it out, no? What is in the inside here? And what do people really like? Apparently, Bicol is very famous for its siopaw. And specifically, taga-Iriga siya. Here we go. Yan ang laman ng siopaw. Wow. The beef, the meat, the eggs. Let's try it out. Okay. First hand, it's full of crispiness. Sarap ng egg. Na toasted siopaw, even though kakarating lang niya sa Metro Manila, even though 1 day old na siya, still so tasty and still so good. The bread has lasa. That's good. Then ito naman siya. So that's it. Thank you, friend, for giving me this super delicious toasted siopaw. We'll see you guys next time.